Here at Barkaways, we're always exceptionally busy, but we have managed to find time to push ahead with the Ferrari 308 GTS project. Recently we've been concentrating on the one area that had the corrosion on the chassis, so that chassis tube has been removed and replaced. Leading on from that was the A-post inner panels, which you can see were fairly corroded. So that's been taken out, manufactured and fabricated new ones. Going forward down the side, the outer seals were removed and made in-house. Doors were removed, oversized pins reamed out and replaced. Following on from that was the outer skin was removed to expose the inner door frame. On this car was in quite a bad state, so that was cut away and fabricated a new one. A new outer door skin was then fabricated in-house and fitted. This being, there are panels available, however, we tend to find they don't particularly fit very well, and it's something that we can do in-house to make sure you get correct alignment. Following on from the door was the lower front and rear wings. Again, removed, fabricated in-house again and fitted. As you can see from this side, the metal work has been completed. Everything from the lower half down that's red is a red oxide we apply to the new metal work just to keep it protected at this stage. So from this side it's had the complete lower half being comprising of front lower wing section, lower door skin and lower rear wing section including an outer seal. One of the benefits I was chatting to about earlier was where we oversized the pins. This is one of the new pins that we have made. It comes probably about 2 millimeters bigger than the original. The benefit of us reaming this out is to eliminate any play you get in your door. That would have been as a result of this pin wearing down over time. The next job on the body shop list is to rectify an old repair. This vehicle probably had a donk in the front back in the late 80s and has had a new section of front welded in. In today's standard, or to ours, not really up to scratch. So what I'll be doing with that is to cut it away, tidy it all up and weld it back in seamlessly, ready for the final coat filler.